Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this video, we will talk about new way to add data inside Microsoft List, especially in that scenario when we know that there are so many people from home. I need to collect data. In such scenario, to collect data from large number of users, Microsoft Form became preferable choice. And Microsoft List recently have added that capability within. So let's see how we can collect data or add data from large number of users inside Microsoft List utilizing Microsoft Form. So let's click here on Form, and here you can see that I already have created two forms in past to get data. Let's click here on New Form to get started. Now here I can give my form a name, for example, Travel Rec Form, and now here you can see you already have got these headers and their name. But good thing about the form is you can also change the header name, for example section instead of department, which is really nice because you are changing the form without changing the actual name of header inside Microsoft List. After making this customization, you also have option to change the theme and customize it the way you want. You also have option to create your own custom theme. Now in setting, we only have option which says that accept responses, and then you can also set up your own custom message. I'm gonna keep this setting as it is. Now let's click here on send form. Now let's click on copy this link, which is required to share with the group. You can also preview your form by clicking on preview, and there we go, how this form will look like. Now let's open the link that we have copied in incognito, and there we go. It will ask you to sign in, and then after we sign in, we can make entry. So let me actually make entry using form here, and let's actually place them side by side. Okay, so now here I'm not gonna give anything to title, Mumbai visit, and then from here I can choose the same options that were available. Now destination, we can either choose these, or in our last video we also have enabled the option that make manual entry possible. So let me type here Mumbai, and that way we have added new travel destination. Now I can give employee name here. Let's say employee name is Akshit. And now I'm going to click on submit. And there we go. We have submitted it. Now if I refresh this list, I should see the new log being added. So in this way, guys, we can also utilize Microsoft Form to make entry inside Microsoft List. That's all, guys, from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.